how to buy Toncoin using TonKeeper. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy Toncoin using TonKeeper. So the first step is come to your TonKeeper application. When you come to your TonKeeper, make sure you open it. And when you open it, it will look like this at the home page. Alright, so as you can see, mine is still loading, so you just need to be patient. When it's downloading, it will open up very fast. Alright, so now it has opened up. So I'm going to be showing you how to buy Toncoin using the TonKeeper application. So this is a TonKeeper application. So come to buy, then you need to buy using Transact, okay, this one here, or you can tap on show more and it will show you more options you can use to buy. So if you click on Transact and it starts loading, you see it open up this menu. Just click on don't show again, then tap on buy. So it will start loading up like this. But if you're in a hurry and it's loading too slowly, all you can do is simple. Just go back and then select option number 2. You can buy using on ramp, okay? So you tap on that, then click on open. And then on ramp will start opening up like that. And just get ready to buy. So on ramp, you're going to be buying using the INRI, okay? So let's wait for it to load. So it has finished loading, as you can see. So you can click here and change to any currency you want, okay, depending on the country you are in. As you can see here, it's in Indian rupees. You can also come and choose your country. For example, if you're in Brazil, just come and choose the Brazil real. If you're in Europe, England, anywhere else, choose the euro. If you're in Kenya, choose the Kenyan shilling. If you're in South Africa, choose the South African rand, okay, just like that. So for my case, I'll select Kenya. I'm assuming you're in Kenya, so select Kenya. So assuming you have 2,000 Kenyan shillings, how many ton coins are you going to get? You get 2 ton coins over here, as you can see, and then just proceed to buy over here and then pay the money using anything like a debit card or anything of that kind, okay? So that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.